my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Ali Amin Opu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. So, dear students, let's start our class. Okay. Our today's topic is addition using pictures. Your lecture number is 17 for the annual term examination, okay, and you have no homework today, so be relaxed but keep practicing at home with your books. Okay, look at the board. I have already picked up your books here, right? It's page number 67 and page number 68 we will learn today. Okay, by using the pictures we will learn addition, my dear students. So open the book, page number 67 at first. Okay, at page number 67 we have the pictures and we have the addition. Okay, how many in all? The question is how many in all. That means altogether how many are there. We need to write down in these boxes. Okay, we need to write down in boxes how many in total. So first of all, this is the pictures of wristwatch. Okay, there are only one wristwatch plus there are 4 wristwatch. So in total how many are there, we need to write down here. Okay, so 4 plus 1 or 1 plus 4 equal to how many, we need to write down by counting all together these pictures in the pictures of the wristwatch. Okay, now count, it is 1, so 1 picture, and this is how many, it's 1 2 3 4. Now we need to count together to write down the addition here. Okay, now count it together, my dear students. It's 1, then it's 2, then it's 3, 4 and 5. This means, my dear students, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So in this blank or in this box we should write down 5. Okay, the number 5. So if we add two numbers 1 and 4, we will get 5. Okay, like this way we will solve all the problems. The next problem is we need to add 2 rings with 3 rings. Okay, 1 2 2 rings, 1 2 3, there are 3 rings. So 2 plus 3 equal to how much, we need to write down here. And to write down we need to count all the rings together. Now count all the rings together. It's ring 1 2 3 4 5. This means that 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5. So write down 5 here. 5. The next picture here is the picture of keys. Okay, now how many keys are there? In first picture there are 1 2 3 is written down 3, plus there are also 1 2 3 keys. So 3 plus 3 equal to how many, we need to write down here by counting all the pictures together. Now count all the pictures together. These keys are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we count together we will find out 6. That means 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So write down 6 in this box. Okay, after this box we have the picture of bottles. There are 1 2 bottles are there, and there are 1 2 3 4 bottles are there. We need to add 2 with 4. Okay, now count all together or you write down the addition of 2 and 4. Now count it, my dear students. The bottles are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So there are 6 bottles together. When we add these 2 and 4 we will get 6. So here will be also the number 6. Now my dear students, we will count out this carrots picture. Okay, there are 1 2 3 4. There are 4 carrots, and plus we need to add with 1 2 3 4 carrots. That means 4 carrot and 4 carrot need to add together. When we add we will find out by counting all together at once. Okay, my dear students, count now. It's carrots are 1 2 3 4. Then after 4 we will have 5 6 7 8. That means we will find out 8 carrots picture all together. So when we add 4 and 4 we will get 8. So write down 8 in this box. Okay, its answer will be 8. Now this is the picture of caps. We use usually these caps in the time of what? In the time of cold season, okay? In the winter season, we use these caps. So this caps addition we need to do here. There are 1, 2, 3 caps in the left side, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 caps in the right side. So 3 plus 4, how many we need to find out by counting all together these caps. Now count these caps all together. We will find out these caps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This means, my dear students, when we add 3 with 4, we will get 7. There are 7 caps are there in total. Okay. Now the next picture is the picture of mangoes. Okay, how many mangoes are there in total we need to find out, okay? There are 5 mangoes in the left side and the 5 mangoes in the right side. So 5 plus 5 equal to how much? We need to find out by counting all together. Okay, now mangoes are there. It's not mangoes, I think it is papayas, okay? It's papayas, okay? This picture is papayas, okay? Which is now 5 papaya plus 5 papaya equal to how much? We need to find out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means, my dear students, when we count together, we will find out 10 papayas. So 5 plus 5 equal to nothing but 10. Okay, 10 papayas are there. And now the picture is this is the sunflowers pictures. Okay, so how many sunflowers are there? It's in the left side we have 6, in the right side we have 2. So 6 plus 2 equal to how much? By counting we can find out easily. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means in total there are 8 sunflowers are there. So write down 8 here. Okay, we'll write down 8 here because we have find out totally the 8. So 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood this one. Now go to the next page. The next page number is 68. Okay, 68 page. Again the question is same. How many in all? That means we need to write down in these boxes the total number. Okay. Now first picture is the picture of watermelon. So in the left side we have 2 watermelon. In the right side we have 5 watermelon. All together how many we need to find out. Okay. Now count all together how many are there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means when we add 2 with 5 we will find out 7. There are 7 watermelon all together. Okay. Now the next picture is the picture of balls. In the left side we have 3 balls. In the right side we have 5 balls. We need to add 3 balls with 5 balls. Okay. So add these 2. If we add we will find out it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means there are 8 balls all together. So 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. Okay. Now the next picture is the picture of flowers. In the left side we have 4 flowers. In the right side we have only 1 flower. So we need to add 4 with 1. If we add 4 with 1, we will get how much? Look very carefully. Count it at first. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means when we count all together, we will find out 5. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now the next picture is the picture of some chickens here. In the left side we have 2 chickens. In the right side we have 6 chickens. So we need to add 2 with 6. We need to add 2 chickens with 6 chickens. Now count out all together. It's 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means there are 8 chickens altogether. So we need to add 2 with 6. We will find out 8. There are 8 chickens altogether. Okay. Now we have only 4 remaining. My students, this picture is the picture of mangoes now. Okay. I did a mistake in papayas. Okay. This is the mango. Now there are 5 mangoes in the left side and in the right side we have 4 mangoes. Now add these 2. To add this we need to count together. Now count it together. How many are there? Look, my dear students, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means there are 9 mangoes are there. So write down 9 in the box. When we add 5 and 4, we will get 9. There are 9 mangoes in total. Now, my dear students, the right side picture is the picture of some pencil. There are 7 pencils in the left. There are 4 pencils in the right. So we need to add together. Now count it. This one count it to be careful when we count out the pencil, because pencils are so closer to each other. Okay. Now count these ones. I'm using red pen here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 pencils are there. 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 pencils are there all together. When we add 7 and 4, we'll find out 11. 1 and 1 is the number 11. Okay, so 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Now next picture is the picture of some crocodile. No, it's tortoise. It's the picture of tortoise. Okay, now there are 4 tortoise in the left. There are 4 tortoise in the right. So you need to add 4 tortoise with 4 tortoise. Okay, now count it together. If we count together, we will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means there are 8 tortoise in total. So when we add 8, when we add 4 and 4, we will find out 8. Our result is 8. My dear students, we have come up the last question. The last picture is the picture of lemons. Okay, in the left we have 3 lemons, in the right we have 3 lemons. So how many are there in total? Count it and we will find out. Count this on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means there are 6 lemons are there. When we add 3 with 3, we will find out 6. So our answer will be 6. My dear students, I hope you have understood how to count and write down the total numbers, and how to add. You have already learned this one. Okay, you have no homework, but my dear students, you need to keep practicing more and more at home, because this is very important topic. The addition topic is very important topic to you. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.